like it, George?
Airplane. Fly. Fly.
That airplane needs a little superhero help.
Don't worry, Thor Pig. I have an idea.
Just a little boost. Try again, George. Give it a big superhero throw.
FLY! Wow!
You're a great pilot, George. Me, a pilot. The biggest flight ever. Ah! Be careful, George. Oh no! The web broke. Web?
It's stuck.
My airplane. Don't cry, Thor Pig. No trio too tall for Spider Pig. We will get your airplane back. You will? It's too high. My webs can't reach. Of course. We don't need webs to go up. We need thunder to shake it down. George, your hammer. Thunder Piggy. It wasn't strong enough. You need to do the biggest, loudest, most powerful Thunder Piggy you have ever done.
Biggest.
You can do it, George! Thunder! Piggy!
It's falling! Get ready! Got it!
See? Safe and sound.
Airplane. My airplane.
Goodness me, what a commotion!
We saw that! What a clever catch, Peppa! And what a mighty thunderclap, George!
It's good we saved your airplane, but maybe we shouldn't fly it quite so close to the big scary tree again.
No, big scary tree.
Vroom, landing on the flowers, vroom.
Another successful mission for the Super Pigs! I love being a superhero! And everyone loves a happy landing! Sleep well, my little piggies.
Good night, Mommy.
Night-night. Psst. Peppa! Who said that?
Hello there. My pillow is talking.
My name is Pilly. I am full of stories. Once, there was a little teapot who grew candy-striped wings.
Peppa, what's funny? Shh. George, it's a secret. Hello, George. Pillow talk.
What's all that noise? I thought they were asleep. Are you two all right in there?
But the pillow was just talking to us. His name is Pilly.
A talking pillow, Peppa. I think you were having a very silly dream.
There now. No more talking pillows. Time for sleeping.
Good night again, you two.
Oof! Get off! What was that?
It spoke. The pillow really did speak.
Oh, Daddy Pig, you're very good at this game. Now you're pretending too.
Hello, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. It's nice to meet you. Oh my goodness, a real talking pillow.
And so, the man in the moon was never hungry again. The end!
Hooray! Good night, Peppa.
Peppa knew that even when it was quiet, her pillow would always be full of wonderful, magical dreams. To you, George. Ball. And back to you. Oh dear, you kicked it a bit too hard, George.
Uh-oh.
George, that's not our ball. Where did you find that one?
New ball.
It's floating. It's a magic ball.
Magic!
Come here, you floaty ball.
Ho ho ho! A floating ball? Don't you worry, I'm a bit of an expert. I'll show you how to kick it properly.
Oof! What happened? It's like kicking a cloud.
Your foot went right through it.
Very peculiar. It feels like nothing at all. Maybe it's a ghost balloon?
A ghost balloon?
It laughed.
Funny ball. It's not a ball, it's a little ghost.
Well, I'll be a real garden ghost.
Ghost! Oh, look! He's a very friendly ghost. We're going to catch you, little ghost. Woo!
Oh, look! It's Mummy and Daddy have come to get him.
Woo! Bye-bye, little ghost. Come and play again soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, ghost family. Peppa and George didn't find their red ball, but they found something much more fun. A new friend from...
I'll get it, George. Ball.
Ooh! What's this? They're so sparkly.
They fit perfectly. Look, George. Aren't they lovely? Ooh, shiny.
Huh? I'm not doing that. Silly shoes.
Whoa! Stop, shoes, stop! I want to go back!
Funny walk.
Peppa? Where are you going in such a hurry?
I can't stop, Mummy. It's the shoes. Peppa, stand still.
I can't.
Run, Mummy, run.
Ho ho ho! What a fun game of tag! I'll get you, Peppa.
It's not a game, Daddy Pig. It's her shoes. Now I'm dancing. Silly splashy shoes.
Oh dear, oh dear. Where could they be? I can't perform without my lucky dancing shoes.
Whoa!
Where are we going now?
They seem to know where they are going.
My shoes! My magic dancing shoes! You found them! Oh, thank you, thank you!
These aren't just any shoes, they're magic. They get very bored if they stand still for too long.
So they just wanted to play.
Hooray! More! More! More!
Peppa loved the magic shoes, but she was very happy to have her own shoes back. Shoes that only walk when she wants them to.